Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's Filmora tutorial video, I'm going to walk you through on how to create a photo wall animation in Filmora 14. So if you're planning on creating a photo wall from memories for your marriage or for a travel vlog or for your food content, whatsoever you will literally want to create it for, I'm literally going to show you how to do it in Filmora 14. So first of all, you need to have your images or photos ready. Then the next step is to go to the templates area. Right here, you just have to type in photo wall. After typing photo wall, you're going to be presented with a tons of templates you can use. I'm literally going to show you how to use the templates in a second, but you're going to see tons of so there are quite a lot of templates. You can see some for Christmas, some for you can see some photo walls regarding memories, aging frame. There's a lot of templates you can literally use for your photo wall, but for this video I have a particular template which we're going to use. So we're going to be creating a travel vlog memory photo wall for this tutorial. So we're just going to, like I already downloaded it right now, I'm just going to click on add to the timeline. So we currently have our templates in the timeline. Let's just click play to preview it. You can see it's about 8 seconds long. Depending on you, you can edit it to be even longer. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to work with this and show you basically how you change the images. So let's just go back to the beginning. So the first thing you need to do is click on 8 items to be replaced. So what you just have to do is just drag and drop your images to the timeline. And I'm also going to show you how to edit the text in the video. So the first thing you need to do is go to your media or wherever your pictures are located. For me, mine is currently at stock media because I downloaded some. So I'm going to be using some of these images for this tutorial. So I'm just going to go here and just drag this image and drag it and drop it here. That easy. You get it? So it's super easy to do that. So I'm just going to do the next one. So when you're done adding your photos of your travel vlogs, the next thing you need to change is the text, because you can see that the text are not aligning with our photos. So the next thing we need to do is basically come here where the text is and just change. You can leave this as time record and just change whatever. So I'm going to change it from to travel blogs. So guys, that is pretty much how to create photo wall in Filmora 14. So if you pretty much want to try this out, go to the templates area and just type in photo wall on the search bar, and you're going to see a lot of templates that you can use for your editing. So if you found this video really helpful, please just smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.